Your brain is wired to keep you broke. And I'm not talking about mindset or motivation. I'm talking about actual neuroscience, the way your brain physically processes money, risk, and reward. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how your brain sabotages your wealth. This is Mind Vault. Let's unlock it. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain evolved over millions of years to survive in the wilderness, hunt food, avoid predators, reproduce. It did not evolve to handle modern money, credit cards, compound interest, investment portfolios. These concepts are less than 100 years old. Your brain is running on 200,000-year-old software trying to process 21st century problems, and it's failing miserably. That's why smart people make dumb money decisions, why high earners stay broke, why knowing what to do doesn't mean you'll actually do it. The problem isn't your intelligence, it's your neuroscience. There are 3 specific brain mechanisms keeping you poor, and once you understand them, everything about your money behavior will make sense. First, the dopamine trap. When you buy something, your brain releases dopamine. It feels good, really good. That's by design. Dopamine evolved to reward behaviors that helped you survive. But here's the problem. Your brain can't tell the difference between survival and shopping. When you see a sale sign, when you add something to your cart, when you click Buy Now, dopamine floods your system. You get a high. But here's what's insidious. The dopamine hits before you buy, not after. The anticipation is the drug. The actual purchase? That's when dopamine crashes. So what does your brain do? It seeks the next hit, the next purchase, the next dopamine spike. This is why you have a closet full of things you never use. You weren't buying the item. You were buying the dopamine. And the companies know this. Every notification, every sale alert, every only 2 left in stock message, they're all dopamine triggers engineered to override your rational decision-making. Your brain is literally getting addicted to spending money. Second trap, your amygdala, your brain's fear center. In the wilderness, scarcity meant death. If food was scarce, you hoarded. If resources were limited, you grabbed everything you could. This is called scarcity mindset, and it's hardwired into your amygdala. When you see limited time offer, or only 3 left, your amygdala fires. It perceives scarcity. It triggers fear. And fear overrides logic. You don't think, do I need this? You think I might never get this chance again. This is why Black Friday turns rational people into a stampeding herd. It's not about the deals. It's about triggering the scarcity circuit. But here's the cruel irony. Scarcity mindset doesn't just make you spend impulsively. It also makes you hoard what you have. Poor financial decisions come from both extremes. Spending everything because you fear missing out. Saving everything in cash because you fear investing. Both are your amygdala hijacking your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that actually thinks rationally, and stress amplifies everything. When you're stressed about money, your amygdala becomes hyperactive, which makes you make worse decisions, which creates more stress. It's a neurological trap you can't think your way out of. Third trap, your brain's inability to value the future. Your prefrontal cortex handles long-term planning, but it's weak compared to your limbic system, which handles immediate gratification. Neuroscientists call this temporal discounting. Your brain literally discounts future rewards in favor of present ones. Here's the experiment. Would you rather have $100 today or $110 tomorrow? Most people choose $100 today, even though waiting 1 day gives you a 10% return. That's a 3,650% annual return. No investment on earth beats that. But your brain doesn't care. Present money activates your reward circuits now. Future money is abstract. It doesn't trigger the same neurological response. This is why you can't save, why you can't invest, why you know compound interest works but you still spend your paycheck. Your brain is wired for immediate survival, not future wealth. And modern society exploits this relentlessly. Buy now, pay later, instant delivery. Credit cards that separate the pain of payment from the pleasure of purchase. The pain is in the future. The pleasure is now. Your brain chooses now every single time. This is why willpower doesn't work. You're not fighting laziness, you're fighting millions of years of evolution. So here's where we are. Your brain is addicted to dopamine, controlled by fear, and can't value the future. These aren't character flaws. These are neurological facts. But here's the good news. Your brain is plastic. You can rewire these circuits. In part 2, dropping in 2 days, I'm going to show you exactly how. 5 specific strategies to reprogram your brain for wealth instead of poverty. If you want to actually fix this, drop a like right now and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Comment below. Which trap hits you the hardest? The dopamine addiction, the scarcity mindset, or the present bias? I'll see you in part 2 where we unlock the solutions.